Dreaming of a small yard that feels warm, welcoming, and full of personality? Today's video is all about transforming compact spaces with charming rustic accents. From creative planners to nostalgic garden features, these ideas bring beauty and comfort to any outdoor space. Welcome to Relax Gardens, your destination for peaceful and inspiring garden designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which charming idea captures your heart. An old wooden barrel makes a bold and beautiful planter for your outdoor space. Perfect for small yards, it offers plenty of room for lush greenery or cascading blooms. Its rustic texture pairs wonderfully with natural surroundings, giving your garden an authentic countryside vibe. A classic wheelbarrow makes a perfect rustic planter for your small yard. Fill it with colorful seasonal blooms or fragrant herbs for a fresh, lively display. The weathered finish adds instant character, while mobility lets you change your garden layout anytime for a fresh look. Repurpose a charming vintage mailbox into a creative flower display. Fill it with colorful blooms, trailing vines, or seasonal decorations for year-round appeal. It's a playful way to add both nostalgia and function to your small yard. rope swing seat isn't just for kids. It's a decorative feature that adds warmth and playfulness to your yard, even when not in use. Its rustic ropes and wooden seat bring a sense of relaxation and charm to your outdoor space. Stack or hang rustic wooden crates to create a charming vertical garden. Plant flowers, herbs, or trailing greenery for a colorful layered look. This space-saving design is perfect for small yards, combining practical planting with cozy, rustic style. Define your garden beds with rustic log edging, adding both structure and charm. Plant bright flowers alongside to create a soft, natural transition between lawn and garden. This budget-friendly accent blends effortlessly into nature while giving your yard a polished, welcoming look. Small teacups make adorable miniature planters for succulents, herbs, or tiny flowers. Place them on steps, tables, or shelves to create whimsical garden vignettes. Their delicate patterns and antique feel bring a gentle touch of elegance to your small yard. Even the smallest yard can feel like a cozy retreat with a few charming rustic accents. Which of these ideas would you love to try? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Garden for more inspiring outdoor makeovers.